Hello and welcome. In this video, we're looking at converting percentages to decimals. Percentages to decimals. Okay, let's go. So example 1, convert 5% to a decimal. Okay, and we know that 5% is 5 out of 100, which means 5 divided by 100. 5 divided by 100, okay? If you're dividing 5 by 100, you start with 5. For those of you not sure, you start with 5. Every whole number has a decimal point in front of it like this, imaginary one. And we are moving it 2 places because it's 2 zeros to the left, okay? And that will be 1, 2. So our decimal point is now here. It means the answer is now 0.05. Because if there's a gap here, you fill it in with a 0. Okay, let's move on to the next example. Example 2. Convert 23.5% to a decimal. So like we did before, 23.5. 23.5 divided by 100. Okay, so just like we did before, we have the 23.5. 23.5. Okay, and we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left like we did before. So 1, 2. Our decimal point is now here. So the answer, what do you think it is? Did you say 0.235? Well done. Yeah, you can see that we've done the conversion from 23.5% to a decimal, okay? Because we remember that percent is out of 100. Next example. Example 3. We want to convert 285. Out of 100. I'm not going to go through the steps now. I'm just going to show you the answer. Have a go before I put the answer up. See if you get it right. You do right. Drum roll. 2.85. Well done. Okay. In our last example, we're going to arrange in order from largest to smallest, okay? Now, to do this, you need to convert everything to decimals. I think that'll be the easiest way so that you can see. All right, so we know that 21% here is 0.21. Yeah, for those of you not sure of how to divide again from previous examples, you just move the decimal point 1, 2. So decimal point is there, okay? All right. And we have 0.25. Let's bring that down. What's about 16%? Did I hear you say 0.16? 0.16. And then we have the 0.2. And then the 3%. Have a go. Did I hear you say 0.03? Well done. Because we are dividing by 100, remember? Okay. Now, what I tend to do, tell my students to put them in column method so that the decimal point is in line. It's easier to see that way. I know some of you can see it straight away. But for those of you not sure, I'm going to show you how to put it in column method. So if you put it in column method, you start with 0.21. 0.21, 0.25, 0.16, 0.2. 0.2 is the same thing as 0.20. So that it's best to fill in the gap so that you have 2 digits after the decimal point. And then the last one, 0.03. Okay, now we can see if we ignore the zeros here. Yeah, if we ignore the zeros here, we can look at the numbers at the end. So this is 3, 20, 16, 25, and 21. We can clearly see that this is number 1. Okay, and number 2 will be 16. But we want to do it from largest to biggest. Okay, let's do the largest then to biggest. I think it's easier that way. Largest. So it's important that you read the question, especially in your GCSE exam. Make sure you read the question. So largest to smallest. We're going to start with the largest. So the largest here is this, because it's got 25 at the end. So take it as 1. And then the next one will be that. And then the next one will be this. And then the next one will be this. And then the last one will be 0.03, so that'll be the smallest. So the largest decimal here is 0.25, followed by 0.21, followed by 0.20, and so on. Okay? Hope you've enjoyed the lesson. You can leave a comment below, ask questions, share, like, ask questions, leave a comment below. Like I said, you can like if you want. If you like the video, like. You can leave a comment for suggestions as well. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.